In front of me is OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to hit device unlock, tap on fingerprint and face unlock here, choose face section and enter your screen lock to tap on add now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then tap on done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!